how to hide active communities on Reddit. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn it off step by step. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now select Edit. Here you'll see your profile customization settings. However, this option does not appear on my device. Don't worry, just follow what you see on your screen. I'll also show a screenshot to make it easier for you to understand. Scroll down until you find Show Active Communities. This setting controls whether other users can see the communities you're active in. Now simply toggle it off to hide your active community activity from your profile. After that, tap Save to apply the changes. Once this is turned off, your Reddit profile will no longer display the communities you participate in, giving you better privacy and control over your account. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your active communities on Reddit in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips and tutorials.